Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis on the Forex market. Today the 18th of February, and we'll continue to talk about the euro. Well, on the daily time frame there is no very important things has happened yesterday. So yes, market has moved above the weekly pivot point but just stands below the 618 resistance from the last swing down, although it has bursted a bit. Okay, in general the bearish context is still valid because you can see the trend is clearly bearish and it will remain bearish until 137.53 area for today. So the next strong area of resistance right here, 136.91, the Fibonacci resistance, and weekly pivot resistance 1 stands right here. So I think that market will hold the bearish context until these highs. If market will take out these highs, the further bearish context and the further bearish bias will be under questions. So until this level, I think that market has a strong bearish bias. Besides, as you remember, we discussed the dynamic pressure, bearish dynamic pressure pattern on the weekly time frame, so it's still valid, and it assumes that market can accelerate, hardly accelerates to the downside, and currently this pattern still holds. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Here we see the trend is clearly bullish. Look at this pattern ABC. 100% expansion market has hit yesterday. Okay, and next target 1618 expansion precisely at the Fibonacci resistance 136.91. Also it agrees with the weekly pivot resistance. So this will be a very strong area of resistance. Also you can see that the 4-hour oversold area is also very close to this level. So in general, this will be a very unstable area, and I think that if market will reach it, we should count on some bouncing, at least for during the first touch, something like here. So market touch this strong area of resistance and bouncing to the downside. Here we can see that this was just the inspection of the area of resistance because market now accelerates to the upside. But first, take a look at this bar. This nice example of the wash and rinse on the 4-hour chart. Market open, take out these highs, burst this area of resistance, gather the stops just has been placed above it, and close below the close of this bar. So this is some kind of reversal bar. Also you can see that it's close below the low of the previous shallow bar. So in general this is very bearish scenario. Also take a look, this possibly the 3-drive sell pattern could be formed. Okay, the first drive, second, maybe we can see the third drive. I do not know. Currently I do not see any patterns that could be traded, some clear patterns. That's why I prefer to see some confirmation from the market of the bearish acceleration, or the acceleration to the downside before taking any positions on the market. Because now we have see as bearish as a bullish signs. The bullish sign, although look at this, market accomplished 100%, but it's not turns to the downside, it's continue move to the upside. This is not very good for the bearish scenario. But here we can see, for example, wash and rinse. Okay, so this is bearish sign. Now let's take a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, which is sloppy price action, this is not the impulse move, as you understand. So this is just a retracement. That also makes me think that market have the bearish bias. This is not acceleration to the upside. Okay, just above the market, strong area of resistance that we have discussed. Besides of this target, look at this recent ABC bottom, 100% expansion also is right here. So this is very strong area of resistance. Now take a look at current price action. Yesterday I said that here's the bullish dynamic pressure is building in this area, and we should expect the breakout and take out these highs. So that has happened. What is the dynamic pressure? Dynamic pressure is the pattern when the market shift trend, for example, right here it trends to the bearish, but price action doesn't confirm that. It just stands in the range. So here we can see something like that. Market shift trend to the bearish, but it stands in the range just below. So we can expect some acceleration to the upside. From the another point of view, we have the wash and rinse. We have something like the head and shoulders on the lower time frame. Market hasn't reached the upper body of this channel. Okay, so currently there are very contradictory patterns is building right here. but I can say that if market will accelerate to the upside and hold above this target 618 from this ABC pattern, we can expect move to this area. If not, if market will break out this lower body of this channel and take out the C point, then possibly we can expect move to the downside. That's what I personally will be expect. Currently I do not see any solid pattern, so I think that we should be patient and sit on our hands and wait for some confirmation from the market, because now in this doom and gloom we can lose a lot of money. Well, so that's been said, current situation is not very clear on the market. We have the as bearish as bullish signs on the current developing price action. So if market will hold above 136.30 area, about here, so I think that we can expect move to this area. If it will break this channel to the downside and close below the C point, take out the C point, not the washing rings of the C point, but accelerates to the downside, possibly we can enter on some retracement to the and open the short positions. That's my point of view on the current market. So be careful, because very different signals is now building on the market. Okay, but in general, the long-term view on the market currently is bearish. That is confirmed by the daily price action and by the weekly price action.